Hello, Mr. Adilbek. Today I will defend my project, my first assignment. So let's start from first task. So let's start from main part. How we know it is the heart of all Java project. So I'm really keen to start from this one. So I created a public class main to use. I used public because I opened all of this for other Java classes. So let's start from first main part. So here I used shape that I used it here. Shape, how we know, it is the second heart of after this main. So because circle, rectangle, square, and etc. things I will use in this project, it is all of it shape. So I use it here shape to create new object C1 like a circle. I use it here. So and other things with using system out println. I'm getting area, getting perimeter, getting color, fill it. We will get information, get radius, and etc. things like it. And the second is circle C1, and with using system out println, I'm getting information from this circle, and I think others is тоже понятно. And let's move to the second class shape. So shape, like I mentioned before, it is the second heart of this project. So I use it here two variables, private string color, it is a given red, and boolean fill it true, private to all of it. So I'm making constructor shape for this class, string color and boolean fill it. So this string is called red, boolean fill it true. In a given, we know that this color file and after and others methods methods that get color, set color, is filled methods, and etc. things like it. So override because we use because and in other Java classes we use extend. So for example, the third class is circle, so here it's extend shape part. So we will take information about this from shape part, color and fill it, we will know about it. So for example, here we open it, we created variables like double radius, and we set 1.0 like normal, and we created constructor radius. So this radius we will give information to take here from circle here to know information about it. So here radius, color, fillet. Why we use the extends? Because we will take information about from shape. So here we will use it, and here we know that we already used extends. So here information from shape part. So super we are using from shape. This radius is mentioned like mentioned before. It is equals to new radius we're creating with setting, and methods getters and setters and get area. We will why must be is we know it is 3.14, and radius который мы ввели So get perimeter, we know circle's perimeter is 2 Pierre. So return this to getting perimeter of this circle. So overriding this, because we will have information from shape, because it is subclass. Super we will use because it is so here toString method. The first class is rectangle. We know this that rectangle is not square. Okay, I have some troubles. Okay, I will change. Rectangle extends shape. So rectangle takes information from shape. So inheritance. So firstly we are creating constructor width, length. So this width, and length is the length, and we are getting information from this shape. So here, and super we will use because we are using information from shape, and get width to get width of this rectangle. Set width, getter setters. We know it's easy, and we are getting area. So we know in mathematics we know formula that a multiplied by b, and it gives us area of this rectangle, and perimeter is sum of our width and length of this rectangle and toString, because we are using information from shape. So here overriding. So the last class is square that extends rectangle. I think it will be better if you will show, because we can easily set some information. So here in constructor, and it will be convenient for us, because rectangle will be square if their length and width equal to each other. So I'm creating here side of square. So I'm using some information from extending shape, so it's used here, and I'm extending rectangle in this class. So I can use information from rectangle, from shape, because they are connected with magic word extends. So here we know it is a constructor for double side. So here super we are using because it is information from rectangle. So here booleans from shape, taking getters and setters, set width, set length, and we are using override because we are using information from other classes. I think it's easy, so let's run this code, this project. Will it work or not? So we will can see here. So it's starting to work. Yeah, we know, we can see that it is working.